Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. She's gonna join me for the introduction today, right? I hate it when my dog gets like on my lip gloss because she just like sticks to me. What are you doing? Anyways, if you guys did watch my video that I keep getting distracted by my dog. Stop, I'm not playing. If you guys did watch that video, then I told you guys that I was going to be filming a Trader Joe's haul just because I got like a good amount of items from there. This is going to be more of like a straightforward haul just because most of the items that I did get are pretty healthy. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will have that somewhere on the screen and linked down below with my other social media stuff down there. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. We're almost at 10K. Kind of. We're slowly creeping up there. Without further ado though, let's go on and get started with my Trader Joe's haul. She's so cute. Okay, go. I know I'm annoying you. I did forget my reusable bags. I don't know what it is with me forgetting my reusable bags all the time. And then I hate myself for it because I just feel like so guilty. I do have 2 full bags of food. I'm just gonna pick things up and talk about it a little bit. Oh, okay, you know what I'm gonna start off with? This is my favorite fruit. First thing that I have is a papaya. I freaking love papayas so much. A lot of people hate them. I guess I can see why people hate them. Like the taste is definitely like different. It's not like sweet like most fruits. Yeah, papaya. I love papaya in my smoothies especially. Nope, this is not for you. Sit. Anyways, so I did get some bananas as well. I've actually like had a few already, so I got like a few more than this. Just a tip for you guys, if you shop at Trader Joe's, try not to go on Sundays because I swear you will get the greenest bananas that there are. I'm surprised I saw so many yellow bananas when I went. Bananas, they're always a classic. You could put them in smoothies and acai bowls. You can make some like toast with almond butter, peanut butter in it, and then like sliced banana on top. Bananas are just like a classic. So this is actually something I don't get all the time, but like I just wanted some fresh fruits to have at home. I got this at Cantaloupe. I hope I said that right because if I didn't, then I'm just, yeah. That name is so weird. I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but I got this. I usually do cut this before the week begins just so that during the week I could just grab the slices. I personally love their produce though because it honestly is really fresh. For snacks, dried Honey Crisp apples, and I also got these dried banana slices. I actually might put these 2 in my car just because this semester all of my classes are like towards the end of the day, so around dinner time. I just feel like I might get hungry and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna like probably leave these in my car. These looked really good. I personally have not tried these, the Honey Crisp apple slices. I have tried these banana slices, but it definitely has been a while. I'm excited to have these again. Another thing that I kind of already opened is the Trader Joe's This Strawberry Walks Into a Bar. It's basically just a strawberry cereal bar. These are honestly so good. I know during the fall they came out with these and they had like a pumpkin spiced flavor. Personally, the strawberry ones are my favorite. I also love the apple cereal bars as well. Those are really good. These are a great snack to have. I don't think they're super healthy, but if you have them every once in a while, I'm sure that's perfectly fine. Next thing I got was this Trader Joe's coconut water. I love coconut water. I just haven't had it in a while. I'm a huge water girl. Like I rarely drink soda and juice and stuff like that. I just got bored of like the water taste, so I was like, you know what, let me grab this coconut water. And I feel like coconut water is definitely healthy than like sugary sodas and stuff like that. Another thing I got was some baby wild arugula. I freaking love arugula. Honestly, I probably love it more than like lettuce. I don't know what it is, like the taste that it has, it makes me feel like I'm having brunch somewhere fancy. I know this would be so good on top of avocado toast, which I have not made in a while. I'll put some of this either on top or on the side, but yeah, this is so freaking good. I love arugula. I also got some broccoli as well. This is another one of those items that I like pre-make before the week begins, so that way I'll just store it in some type of little plastic container and I'll just pull it out and like heat it up during the week when I'm like in a rush or just like really busy. I'm a big broccoli girl. It has a lot of benefits as well, and like, I don't know, it's one of my favorite veggies just in general. This is another one of those items that isn't super healthy, but I just cannot resist this one. This is the stuffed gnocchi, but this one has tomato sauce and mozzarella already inside of them. I could tell this is not healthy just because it's like pre-frozen, it's pre-made, but it's so good. And I feel like you have to have stuff like this every once in a while. If you're running late to class, you could literally just microwave this and then have a side of like arugula with dressing on it. I've also tried the regular gnocchi as well, but like, I don't know, this one just like hits different. I love it. I'm almost done with this haul actually. The next thing that I got was just some green beans. Lately I've just been in like the green bean like fan club. I don't know, they're just so good, and I feel like they're another one of those classic vegetables that you could have as a side with like your main dish. Looks like these are pre-washed, ready to eat, and microwavable. I probably would not microwave them. I just feel like that's weird. It's always a plus that they're pre-cut, just because it definitely could take a while to cut all of them. But yeah, green beans are the way to go for a healthy veggie. Next thing that I got was just some Greek yogurt. This is the non-fat plain 0% milk fat yogurt. I don't have yogurt every single day. I honestly don't even have dairy that much anymore, but I do like to sneak it in every once in a while. And I know that Trader Joe's yogurt, like, it takes a while for it to go bad. I literally have until January 29th for this to go bad. I've also gotten Trader Joe's like yogurt that has honey in it. That one is also really good. I just feel like this one is probably a little bit healthier. If you guys are looking for like a healthy breakfast, I used to do like yogurt with blueberries and strawberries and granola and chia seeds. So good, definitely recommend that. The last two items that I got are just some like juice shots. I just recently started trying these out. I didn't even know Trader Joe's had these. This one right here is the Mighty Turmeric juice shot. It has a blend of coconut water, turmeric, lemon juices, and black pepper. And then this other one is the No Joke ginger. It has coconut water, ginger, lemon juices, and cayenne pepper. You basically just shake these and then you just take it like a shot. You take it like a man. Except this is a shot that's actually good for your body. They're not the tastiest things out there. I've had this one before. I haven't tried this one yet. I feel like that's how you know it's healthy for you, because like most healthy stuff isn't that good. I'm excited to try this one out. I try to have these in the morning though, just because like that's when I feel like it does best for my body, like right after a workout. These were all of the items that I did get from Trader Joe's. I hope that this video did give you guys a good idea of just foods that you either want to try out from Trader Joe's. Honestly, I have not done a Trader Joe's haul in a while, so I'm excited to put this one up almost like a year later, literally. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mimi! I was gonna tell my dog to come finish off the video with me, and I don't even know where she went.